Hello everyone and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today I'm going to share with you my dinner, Soulful curry. It's very simple and very delicious. Let's jump right into it. I used 1 link of field roast sausages. It was the apple and the sage. We're going to brown those on both sides. Once they are brown on both sides, we're going to remove them from the pan. And to this, we're going to add chickpeas and some mixed veggies. And I just want them to cook a little bit on their own, let them soften up a little bit. I added 2 tablespoons of soy, along with 1 heaping teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 heaping teaspoon of yellow curry. Did that behind the scenes, guys. Once this cooks down a little bit, get a little tender, we'll remove those from the pan. And then we're gonna add some olive oil, 2 chopped cloves of garlic, and 1/2 a bell pepper. Let them soften up just a little bit. We're going to add some tomatoes. Now we can add back in our veggies, and I also added black eyed peas and 1 can of coconut milk. Once we blend this up a little bit, we're going to add back the sausages. And we have 1 more ingredient to add in, and that is kale. I'm going to cover, let it reduce on its own a little bit. And then I will stir it up. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes, and it's ready to plate. I also toasted some tortillas. I'm gonna use that to sop up all that nice gravy, guys. Flip, let's dish it up. The rice is there, the tortillas are done. That curry is about to go down here at the Neal's house. Guys, have a great dinner yourselves, and thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.